Hi, welcome to Jay's Techie Crown. If you're watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe. In this video, we are going to see the count of visas including 189, 190 and 491 and their trend in last 5 years. Most of you would have applied for EOI with different points and with different answer code and waiting for an invite. This video will help you to get clarity on the count of visas granted in the last 5 years, different visa types and their trends, points required for specific skill codes based on the recent invites, and the visa granted for both onshore and offshore under different visa categories. This may help you to track down where exactly you fall under the invite process and when you will get an invite. Come, let's get into the video. I could see most people posting questions asking for when they will receive an invite for specific skill codes, and here is the most recent NSW 190 invitation points and the date of effect. You can see here for mechanical engineer the most recent invite was on 29/11/2020 as of November 2020, which is for 100 points, and secondly for system analyst, which is as of June 2020 for 95 points, and for ICT security specialist it was on February 24, 2021 for 100 points, and for developer programmer 8/12/2020 which is as of December 2020 for 100 points. Things to note here are, you can see the list of invited skill codes and their points, and you can see that most of the skill codes are invited for 100 points. And second thing is ICT security specialist was the most recent invite which is on February, and the third thing is these are all for onshore applicants. Moving on to the 189 skilled visa invite count. Here is the 189 visa trend which includes both for onshore and offshore. You can see that the invitation count for the year 2016 to 17 was 42,000, and in the year 2017 to 2018 it has declined to 39,410, and in 2019 you can see it was 34,480. Also, you can see that in 2019 the count is 13,000, and in 2020 it has considerably reduced to 2,821. You can see the decline of the visa counts in the last 5 years. It started with 42k initially in 2016 and it has ended with 2,800 in 2020. So this gives an idea that what is the total visa count granted in the last 5 years and what is the visa count granted as of December 2020. If you are waiting for an 189 invite, then you will be able to calculate your approximate timeline for invite by just considering three factors. First one is the ceiling value for your skill code, and second one is the most recent points invited, and the third one will be the total visa count invited for the current year. Considering all these three factors, we will be able to calculate the approximate timeline of when we can expect the invite. Come, let us see the trend of points in the last 5 years for 189. Here you can see that the point system for last 5 years. In 2016 it was 60, and then it increased to 70 in 2017 and 75 to 2018, and then in 2019 it has increased to 85, and for the current year it is 90. This 90 is an average score invited for skills with less demands, and in case if you consider skills with high demand like mechanical engineer or IT stream, then it may vary till 100 points. Here is the 190 skilled nomination and invited count in the last 5 years. You can see the fluctuating trend of the invite count in the overall 5 years, with 19k in 2016 and 20k in 2017, again dropping to less than 20k in 2018 and again crossing more than 20k in 2019, and finally you can see as of December 2020 it was 4,000. So the number of invites considerably reduced due to this pandemic, and most of the states start sending invites only for onshore candidates, and that is also one of the reasons for less invite count in 2020. Here is the points trend for 190 in the last 5 years. You can see that in 2016 it was 60 and then increased to 65, with 70 in 2018 and with 80 in 2019, and currently in 2020 it is 90 points plus 5 points for state nomination. This 90 is an average score for an normal skill code. In case if your skill code is more demanding, then these points may vary, and if it is of less demand, again these points may vary. Is a 491 skilled visa invite count, and you can see that the visa count is given only for 2019 and 2020. As you all know, 491 is launched in November of 2019, and that's the reason 2016, 2017 and 2018 are left as 0, and you can see that the count is 2175 in 2019 and it has increased to 4000 in 2020. Since people with less points from offshore are unable to apply for 190 and they were not able to get an invite for 189, they started applying for 491 visas, and you can anticipate more visa count in the coming years. Come, let's have a look into the trend of students visa. As you all know, 500 is a visa type for students. You can see the trend of students visa here in the last 5 years, and on average you can see 300k visas were granted in the last 4 years, and in the current year you can see 120k visas were granted. Due to this pandemic, the number of applications and visas processed were considerably reduced, and that is the reason you can see very less count in the current year. Here is the state and tertiary nominated visa allocations for 190 and 491 visa. Here you can see that state-wise visa allocations for both 190 and 491, and the 190 visa allocation count is 11,952 and the visa invited count is 4,212. The difference of visa allocation minus the visa invited count will show you the remaining visas that we can expect. That comes to around 7,740 that we can expect as part of 190, and similarly you can do the math on 491 visa and you can come to a conclusion of what is the expected 491 visa count for the year 2021. Here comes the detailed list of all visa types and their trend in the last 5 years, and I have highlighted for 189 and 190. We have discussed about this 189 and 190 visa trend in the beginning of the video, and here is the visa trend for all the other visa types. First, you can see that for a partner visa, the trend is in declining mode, which is of 20k in the 2016 and declined to almost 7k in 2021. Similarly, you can check on other visa types like 186, 187, 188 and 457 temporary visas, and then 461 New Zealand citizen and family relationship visas, and 462 which is of work and holiday visas. You can see the trend of visas that are invited in the last 5 years. Also, you can see the trend of 489 visa, which is of 6,000 in 2016 and that has increased considerably till 2019, which is of 12k and then again drastically reduced to 500k in 2021. And also you can see 494 visas, student visa and visitor visa count. The visitor visa count has considerably reduced. This is as of December 2020. You can see that the count has reduced to less than 100k. And another thing to note here is the visitor visa is one of the highest processed visas, which you can see that more than 1 million in 2016 and it is more than 2 millions in 2017 and 18, and it has considerably reduced to less than 100k in 2020. Hope this video helps you to get a little bit of clarity on your visa processing. In case of any questions, please post it in the comment sections and I would be happy to respond. Please subscribe and thanks for watching this video.